In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your chat history in Grok Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly where your past conversations live and how to view your full archive quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to grok.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on the main Grok interface. You should see the familiar chat workspace where new conversations usually begin. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar menu. This is the navigation area that helps you move around Grok. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile device, you might need to tap the menu icon to reveal the same options. Once that menu is visible, take a moment to scan through it so you're oriented. Within that left sidebar, locate the option labeled History. It may appear with an icon next to it, and it usually sits alongside other core navigation items. The wording is important here. You're specifically looking for history, since that's where Grok collects your previous chats. Click on History. As soon as you do, you'll see your recent conversations appear in a list. These typically display with the most recent chat at the top, along with a title or a short snippet and a timestamp. This view is designed to help you quickly recognize what each conversation was about at a glance. If your list looks short, don't worry. By default, you may be seeing only the most recent threads. To view everything you've done in Grok, look for the Show All option within the History view. It's there to expand your archive beyond the initial set of recent items. Click on Show All, and Grok will load your complete chat history. Depending on how much you've used Grok, this list can be quite long, so give it a moment if older entries need time to appear. Then simply scroll to browse everything. This expanded view makes it easy to revisit earlier work, confirm what was discussed, or pick up where you left off. That's all there is to it. Go to grok.com, open the left sidebar menu, find History, and then click Show All to see your full archive. With these steps, you'll always know where your past conversations live and how to access them when you need a quick reference or want to continue a previous thread.